Transform your website visitors into loyal customers by crafting a powerful sales funnel on Squarespace. Selling online requires more than just a beautiful website. It demands a strategic path that guides your audience today. We'll explore how to build an effective sales funnel within Squarespace, turning curious clicks into valuable conversions. At its core, a sales funnel is the journey a potential customer takes from first hearing about you to making a purchase. Squarespace provides the tools to meticulously design each step of this journey. Step 1. Create a dedicated landing page. This is where your funnel truly begins. Go to your Squarespace dashboard, navigate to Pages, and select Add Page. Choose a blank page or a template geared towards lead generation. Think minimalist. Remove unnecessary navigation and focus on a single, compelling offer. Focus on a single, strong headline that addresses a pain point or a desire. Follow this with concise, benefit-driven copy that clearly explains your offer. A high-quality image or short video can significantly boost engagement. Step 2. Implement a conversion-focused form below your compelling offer. Add a form block. Keep your fields to a minimum to reduce friction. Remember, you're nurturing interest at this stage. What information is absolutely essential to move this prospect forward? Crucially, integrate this form with your email marketing service or CRM. Squarespace offers seamless connections, allowing you to automatically add new leads to specific email sequences that further nurture their interest. Step 3. Design a clear next step after a visitor submits their information. Don't leave them hanging. Squarespace allows you to create custom form confirmations or redirect them to a dedicated thank you page. This is your opportunity to offer immediate value, like a downloadable guide, a discount code, or a link to a relevant product page. Step 4. Strategically place calls to action throughout your funnel and on subsequent pages. Strategically place clear and compelling calls to action. Use buttons that stand out and use action-oriented language like "Get your free guide" or "Discover our solution." By combining Squarespace's user-friendly design tools with a strategic approach, you can build an effective sales funnel that guides visitors seamlessly towards becoming paying customers. Start mapping your audience's journey today and watch your leads and sales grow.